Welcome to today's quick and easy guide on how to switch to dark mode on YouTube Mobile. If you're tired of the blinding brightness of your YouTube app, or if you simply prefer a sleeker and more visually appealing interface, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll show you step by step how to enable dark mode on Android devices. So, whether you're watching videos during the day or browsing YouTube late at night, get ready to enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience. Let's dive in. Thanks for watching. If you found this tech tutorial helpful, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Got questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below, and we'll get back to you.